Electric cargo bikes continue to gain attention as a practical, eco-conscious, and budget-friendly way to move through daily life. They deliver a smooth and convenient riding experience that fits both urban commuting and heavier hauling needs. To simplify the selection process, a carefully chosen lineup of 20 top electric cargo bikes has been prepared, highlighting some of the most capable options available. Number 20. Lectric Expedition 2. The Expedition attracts attention mainly because of its accessible price point, sitting at around $1,800 for the single battery version. It delivers a claimed range of up to 120 miles, along with a top speed of 28 miles per hour, placing it among faster options in the cargo e-bike category. A front suspension fork adds comfort over uneven surfaces, helping absorb road vibrations during rides. On the downside, pedal assist behavior can feel inconsistent at times, and some of the fitted components come across as lower quality compared to higher end models in the same segment. Number 19. Rees and Müller 75. Only a few countries produce bicycles at this level, and Germany stands out as one of them. The Müller Load 75 brings together thoughtful engineering and everyday practicality for families who want to enjoy comfortable rides with children, pets, or daily essentials. Powered by the Bosch Cargo Line Cruise motor, it delivers strong, reliable assistance that supports heavier loads with ease. The cargo area provides generous space for up to 3 child seats, while the 2 mounted seats can be removed quickly to open up room for larger items, adapting smoothly to changing needs. Number 18. Trek Fetch 4 Plus. The Trek Fetch takes inspiration from the traditional Dutch backfiets, acting as a minivan-style cargo bike with space for up to 4 children. It comes equipped with 2 integrated child seats, while additional accessories expand comfort and weather protection, including a full cargo cover that shields passengers from wind and rain. Power support runs through Bosch's BES3 system paired with a Bosch Cargo Line motor, delivering strong assistance for heavier family transport. A Gates carbon belt drive works alongside an internally geared hub to reduce maintenance needs and keep operations smooth over time. Number 17. Aventon Abound LR. This is the rare value cargo bike that doesn't feel cheap. The cockpit, display, geometry, and smooth motor response all add up to a bike that rides significantly nicer than its price might suggest. Performance figures place it at a top speed of 20 miles per hour, with an adjustable limit up to 25 miles per hour. Riding range reaches around 60 miles depending on conditions, while payload capacity climbs to 440 pounds, giving it solid capability for cargo and passenger use. On the drawback side, the drivetrain setup could use improvement for long-term refinement, and the front fender could extend further for better splash protection in wet conditions. Number 16. GSD-S10 3rd Gen. The Turn GSD pushes the idea of a car replacement cargo bike by combining utility and everyday usability in one platform. It fits naturally into city or town environments with strong cycling infrastructure and daily transport with ease. Bosch anti-lock braking system improves braking control under load, especially during sudden stops. Dual battery compatibility extends riding distance significantly, reaching up to about 120 miles depending on conditions and assist level. A highly adjustable cockpit supports different rider heights and body types, making shared use more convenient within a household. Added security comes from integrated GPS tracking and anti-theft alarms, giving real-time location awareness and protection. Number 15. CA Go FS Life. Next up, we have another front-loading cargo that was made in Germany. It uses a 200-liter EPP cargo box, reinforced with a safety structure and crash-tested design to improve protection for passengers, especially children. The system supports a maximum total weight of about 500 pounds. Power comes from a Bosch Performance CX Cargo Line motor delivering up to 85 Newton meters of torque, paired with a Bosch PowerTube 625 watt-hour battery. Overall, the FS 200 Life Family Plus is one of the more complete urban cargo solutions in its category. Number 14. Urban Arrow Family Cargo. This is a front-loading electric cargo bike which can be helpful for heavy loads easily. It uses a Bosch motor system, available in a performance line version with 65 Newton meters of torque, or a cargo line version with 85 Newton meters of torque, both supporting pedal assist up to 20 miles per hour. The bike uses an Enviolo continuously variable transmission for smooth, maintenance-friendly shifting even under load, paired with hydraulic disc brakes for strong stopping power, and it has a EPP cargo box reinforced with a metal frame structure, capable of carrying over 200 pounds in the front and around 500 pounds total system capacity. Number 13, Street Cargo Trike. This multi-level Japanese cargo trike is high on storage space and low on gimmicks. This design gives commuters a compact overall footprint, which becomes especially useful in dense, high-traffic areas. For those focused on specifications, the trike comes in at 74.4 inches in length and 23 inches in width, with an unloaded weight of 70 pounds. The front 18-inch wheels are paired with independent tilting suspension systems to help smooth out uneven surfaces. A 374 watt-hour battery is positioned on the steering tube, supporting a 250 watt pedal assist mid-drive Nidec motor capable of handling loads up to 130 pounds with a top speed of 15 miles per hour. Reported riding range reaches up to 75 miles in eco mode and around 31 miles in power mode, though real-world range will vary depending on cargo load. Number 12, Loven's Explorer 2, a premium front-loading cargo e-bike aimed at family transport and daily urban use. Battery options range from 400 watt-hours up to 800 watt-hours, with real-world range typically around 55 miles depending on setup, load, and terrain. For passengers, the front cargo box provides about 193 liters of space, with upgraded seating comfort, headrests, and optional heated seats depending on configuration. The frame uses a one-piece monocasting aluminum structure with no visible welds, improving rigidity and giving a clean design aesthetic. The bike supports a total carrying capacity of around 550 pounds, including rider, passengers, and cargo, positioning it in the high-end family cargo. Number 11, Intellectra Cargo M. This is a four-wheel cargo e-bike for heavy urban transport with strong stability under large payloads. A reinforced aluminum frame supports up to 900 pounds of load while keeping structural rigidity during movement across city routes. Power delivery comes from a 1,400 watt-hour battery system combined with dual 125 watt rear hub motors that assist during high-demand delivery work. A chainless pedal-by-wire system replaces a conventional drivetrain, converting rider input into electronic drive assistance. Performance reaches about 15 miles per hour with a riding range of up to 57 miles per charge, placing it among high-capacity options for urban cargo and logistics use. Number 10, Surly Big Easy. When the day becomes busy and unpredictable, the Big Easy steps in as a dependable solution for demanding hauling tasks. A Bosch Performance CX drive unit works alongside a 500 watt battery system to support strong, consistent power output during rides. Alongside this, the HSD P9 Cargo e-bike delivers a highly adaptable setup for everyday use, powered by a Bosch 250 watt motor with 65 Newton meters of torque, supporting easier hill climbing even under load. Shimano hydraulic disc brakes add precise stopping control, while the adjustable riding position improves comfort for commuting, family transport, or carrying gear over longer distances. Number 9, Topeak Journey Trailer. This trailer carries a cargo volume of 65.3 liters and handles loads up to 70 pounds, keeping heavier items manageable during transport. A twin spar alloy frame keeps weight low while holding strength under load, supporting steadier handling even when fully packed. It rides on 16-inch alloy wheels and uses a slide lock quick release system for fast connection or removal from a bike. An optional second bike fitting expands usage across multiple setups, enabling shared hauling between riders. Cargo protection comes from a waterproof dry bag with a seam-sealed roll-top closure that blocks rain and road spray. Number 8, Turn Quick Haul Long D9. Turn's Quick Haul Long stands out by bringing many of the key functions found in the higher-end GSD series into a more accessible package. package. The platform supports a maximum load capacity of 419 pounds, giving it strong utility for both cargo and passenger transport. Power comes from a Bosch cargo line motor producing up to 85 Newton meters of torque, with pedal assistance reaching up to 400% support, helping manage heavier loads with less effort. Even with these capabilities, the pricing still sits below the GSD lineup, but remains in a premium category. Number 7. Jackrabbit MG Doble. It is presented as a lightweight, portable 2-up microelectric hauler that has a bike-style layout with passenger-ready seating. It runs a 749-watt cargo-geared motor paired with a mullet wheel setup to balance stability and maneuverability during urban rides. Performance reaches 20 miles per hour in standard mode, with an unlockable off-road mode pushing up to 24 miles per hour. Riding range extends beyond 48 miles per charge depending on conditions and usage. Front and rear lighting, full fenders, and more than 10 attachment points expand everyday utility, giving it flexibility for carrying gear or a second passenger across short to mid-range trips. Number 6. Extracycle RFA. The name RFA stands for Ready for Anything, and it reflects exactly what this bike is about. Its adjustable wheelbase and movable dropouts support a wide range of riding setups, offering smooth adaptability depending on the load or terrain. A chromoly steel frame adds serious durability, giving it the strength to handle demanding use over time. Powered by a Shimano EP8 250-watt drive unit with 85 Newton meters of torque, it delivers strong assistance on climbs even when carrying up to 400 pounds of load capacity. For extended travel, an optional extra battery extends riding distance beyond 60 miles, giving riders more freedom for longer routes. Number 5. Specialized Haul LT. Specialized extends its Globe Haul lineup with a Longtail version of the Haul LT, giving more space and utility compared to the shorter wheelbase Haul ST, while keeping a similar lively ride character. With cargo or passengers on board, acceleration stays responsive thanks to pedal assist that delivers a quick, energetic feel in city riding conditions. Power comes from a 772 watt-hour battery, supporting a riding range of up to about 60 miles depending on load, terrain, and assist level. The system also supports a top speed of 28 miles per hour where regulations allow. The extended rear frame increases carrying flexibility with capacity for 2 passengers and additional cargo, positioning it as a versatile option. Number 4. Reese and Miller Multi-Tinker. The Multi-Tinker works as a small and smart urban transport solution. Cargo options include a wide accessory system with rain covers, child seat adapters, and hand grips for carrying small to medium passengers, though the 150 pounds of load limit restricts use with larger adults. It has a Bosch Smart System motor producing 85 Newton meters of torque, paired with a carbon belt drive and Enviolo internal hub for very low maintenance use. A 625 watt-hour battery provides roughly 15 miles of range under heavy load and hilly terrain, extending beyond 55 miles under lighter conditions on flat routes, with a tested 24 miles ride using about 60% of capacity when carrying weight and elevation. Number 3. Flyer Via Pro. The Flyer Via Pro carries a subtle branding approach with a shortened name on the down tube and a black finish that hides its connection to Radio Flyer, the long-established company known for its classic red wagons. Instead of 4-wheel hauling, it shifts that legacy into a 2-wheel electric cargo platform capable of transporting passengers or gear. A 750-watt motor supplies strong climbing ability, handling steep test hills with minimal strain and supporting cargo duties in urban environments. Smart connectivity through the Flyer app adds navigation tools, service updates, ride data tracking, and customization options, giving riders more control over performance and daily usage. Number 2. Rad Power Bikes Radwagon 5. The Radwagon continues its role as a long-standing cargo e-bike platform, now updated with a refreshed frame and improved performance. The latest version pairs a more responsive ride feel with a stronger motor system while keeping a high payload rating of up to 375 pounds for cargo. An extended rear rack expands, carrying flexibility, and supports a wide range of accessory setups. Power delivery comes from an upgraded 750-watt motor combined with a torque sensor, resulting in smoother and more natural pedal assistance. Number 1. Mustache Lundi 20 20 Cargo 5. It comes with a low step-through frame, Bosch Cargo Line motor delivering 85 Newton meters of torque and up to 400% pedal assistance, and a Bosch Smart system that supports app connectivity and ride control features. A 545 watt-hour Bosch battery provides up to around 60 miles of range, with an option to increase capacity up to 800 watt-hours depending on setup. Cargo capability reaches roughly 440 pounds of total load, supported by a reinforced frame, wide rear rack, and strong kickstand system that improves stability during loading. It sits in the premium utility category where safety and everyday practicality are prioritized over pure speed or sport performance. That wraps up the selection of the best electric cargo bikes. Thanks for watching and following along. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future.